Hello everybody, this is Christian from Tousley Motorsports, and today I am super excited to show you this gnarly 2023 Commander XTP with tracks. Our service team really went wild with this one. This unit is equipped with the Fox 2.5 podium shocks, full windshield with wiper, a 40-inch LED light bar, complete VRP audio system. The inside of this cab is set up for comfort, luxury, and functionality. They stepped it up with the XTP exclusive stitching. It has front and rear differential lock along with the audio control unit. Our service department installed the LinQ cargo rack designed to make installing and uninstalling quick and easy, even for a solo rider. The Commander XTP has a spacious dump bed that uses a hydraulic lift system to do most of the work when unloading. We also installed a rear glass panel with the windshield to prevent dust and debris from entering the cab. And the most impressive part we threw on are these gnarly Apache 360 snow tracks, made to fit most Can-Am off-road vehicles. The lugs are designed for maximum traction out in the elements. Readily equipped with a 4,500-pound winch and LED headlights to handle anything you come across on your adventures. Thank you so much for watching. Come check it out on our show floor in White Bear Lake.